Hello and welcome to my video, How to Search YouTube Studio Video Content. Now this answers the question to something that's frustrated me for a while. I've been on YouTube for about 12 years, so I've got a lot of content. How do you search through it for things that you want? Let's jump over to a browser and I'll show you. Here I am in my browser, and we're talking about YouTube Creator Studio here. So just search for YouTube Creator Studio or go to studio.youtube.com. Either way, you'll end up on this page once you're logged in, which is your channel dashboard. Now, what we're interested in is the content screen. So let's check on content. And here's all my content. Now, one of the things you'll notice here is I've got Assassin 3 and 2 here as videos, but what happened to 1? Well, let's say I want to see them all together so I can compare their views and comments and likes. But there's no search button here. There's no search field. Well, it turns out what you do is you click on Filter, and then you decide what you want to search on. Now, most of these searches I don't care about. So there's only maybe about 3 of them I'd consider using. There's one that I use all the time, and that is title. Search on the content of the title. So the title contains, let's say we want to see all the Assassin videos on one screen. And here you can see is our search. And here is the results. It's all the Assassin videos. Now I can modify this search by clicking on it, and I can come in here and type additional things like show me all the Assassin 2s. And oh, it considered 3 a 2 because 2 is in 3. And I can add searches here. So I can go here and I can say, okay, what about the description also includes Assassin? I can apply that. And now I've got 2 searches going on. Title contains Assassin 2 and description contains Assassin. Now, if I ever want to get rid of any of these, like let's say this first one, I just click on the X next to it and it's gone. Now, the other thing is that these are AND relationships, and I can have them within a search. So let's go get rid of this. And we'll do, oh, I had it there. I wanted description contains Assassin and let's say people. Let's say we're interested in those 2 words in the description. Oh, none of them contain Assassin and people. So you can have and relationships in your searches. Let's try another search. I like self-publishing. And here I have all of my videos that have self-publishing in the title. And let's say I want to modify that to be self-publishing and Amazon. I want those 2 words to be in the title. Now I'm seeing everything that has Amazon and self-publishing in the title, which is a shorter list. And I can add more searches. Another interesting one is views. Okay, greater than, let's say, 100 views. So these are my most popular. And now I'm down to just 4 of them. So I have 4 videos with 100 views that have Amazon or self-publishing and Amazon in the title, and I can add the description and so on.